How to remove music from Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will simply show you how you can remove music from your Instagram post, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove music from Instagram post, now let's say previously you posted a normal photo with a music and you added some music into it. So I'll show you an example. This one right over here, you can see music in it because you can also see the music name at the very top. And this is not a video, this is a photo uploaded with music, so now it is converted to video. And now since this is a video, you will not be able to convert a photo by just simply removing the music itself. So you have to keep that in mind. Instagram does not allow you to go ahead and then just remove the piece of the cake, which means to just remove your music. Because if I tap on the three dots, if I go to edit button as well, you can see we don't have option to remove music. No matter what you do, the only thing you can do is you can just temporarily turn this volume off in order to not listen to music, but the name is of course going to be there as well, and others will also be able to note that you have added a music to this post. The only thing you can do is, of course, if it's not already too old, you can just try to delete it, and once you delete it, it's gone forever, but you can restore it from your recycle bin again. But keep in mind that once and all for good that you post a photo with a music, there's no way in any way that you can go ahead and remove those posts as said by Instagram itself. So if the Instagram app itself does not let you go ahead and remove those posts, do not trust any sourced sites or any type of services that tells you that they can remove the music for you. Hope this video helped to answer your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.